Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today I am going to show you how to enable developer mode to install any app on your Fire TV or Firestick. I will also show you how to set up an app that lets you watch free cable directly on your device. Step 1 is enabling developer mode on your system. First, navigate to Settings on your main menu screen. Then go to Device and Software. On a Firestick, this option may be labeled as My Fire TV. Select that option to open the menu. Next, select the About tab. Take your Fire remote and click the center button 7 to 8 times in a row. This action will activate developer mode on your device. Press the back button on your remote and you will now see developer options listed. Select developer options. Make sure ADB debugging is turned on. Press the home button on your Fire remote to go back to the home screen. Step 2 is installing the Downloader app. Go to the search bar on your screen. Type in Downloader using your remote keypad. Select Downloader when it pops up in the search suggestions. Download and install the app if you do not have it yet. Open the Downloader app once the installation is finished. Step 3 is downloading IPTV Smarters Pro. Click on the URL search bar inside the Downloader app. Enter the code 730116 using your remote. Select Next and wait a few seconds for the page to load up. Scroll all the way down until you see the category for IPTV and media players. Look for Smarters Pro version 5.0. Select it to open the download page. Scroll down to the download link labeled IPTV-SMARTERS-5.0. Click the download icon to start downloading the file. Once the download finishes, select Install. After installation completes, select Delete to remove the setup file and save storage space. Press the Home button on your remote. Step 4 is allowing permissions for your new app. Go back into Settings and navigate to Developer Options. Please go ahead and select Install Unknown Apps. Scroll down to Downloader and ensure it is set to On. Scroll down to IPTV Smarters Pro and make sure it is set to On as well. Press the Home button on your remote. Step 5 is configuring your IPTV playlist. Go to your app section on your Fire TV and open IPTV Smarters Pro. Select Add Playlist to continue. Select the option for Extreme Codes. In the playlist name field, you can enter any name you like. I will type Tech Vibes for this setup. Go ahead and select Next. Now please enter the username into the field. Type 52627287778. Go ahead and select Next to proceed. Now please enter the password. Type lowercase d, then turn on caps lock and type CGCMM, then turn off caps lock and type lowercase y. Go ahead and select Next once more. Now enter the URL server address. Type http://POOL/50620225xyz/. Double check that every character matches what is on your screen. Select Add Playlist to finish the setup. Click on Download to start fetching the channels. Give it a few moments for the download process to complete. Once loaded, click on the Live TV section to start streaming your content. If you enjoyed this guide, please hit the like button. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or feedback.